Hello everyone, it feels good to be back after a month. I was busy doing some projects and also finding some new tech ideas for you guys when suddenly I remember that in last video of mine I have told you guys to write about certain things that you want to know. There I got an ESP8266 project, there I got a tech talk about drone and even that freaking music like bit. So I have been planning to hit the ESP8266 walk with ESP8266 where I will be telling you guys how to work with an ESP8266 in Arduino IDE, as synchronizing ESP8266 with Arduino IDE is a bit difficult. We will come to that later. Let's move to our today's project. I have received many requests for the tutorial for this video. Let's start. This is a basic input-output system where the microphone module is the input, the Arduino is the processor, and the small LEDs are the outputs. I hope you guys know about what Arduino is and what are the analog and digital ports, right? And the power pins. So here in this video we will be having a practical implementation of the analog as well as the digital pins. If you guys don't know about it, or if you want to know, then you can my second video where it's been described. The link to the video is given in the description down below. What is a microphone sensor module? A microphone sensor is just like a normal microphone that converts sound, or rather longitudinal waves, into electric impulses. These impulses are being used by the Arduino to do the work. This is a microphone module. Here you can see it has a VCC, ground, A0 and D0. A0 is the analog input or the output for this microphone module, which will be in the analog input of the Arduino. D0 is the same for digital. The VCC and GND are for the 5 volts and ground respectively. The A0 to the analog 0 of the microphone. Now moving to the digital part, there are 3 LEDs as you can see, yellow, red and green. The green is connected to the pin number 13 and the ground beside it. Pin number 5 and 10 are being connected via breadboard to a common ground. That common ground is connected beside the ground of the power pin. Okay, cool. We have dealt with the hardware. Enough of it. Now let's go to the code. In the code you can see that there are 2 parts, initial part and the loop part. The initial part initializes A0 as an input and the D5, D10 and D13 as the outputs. In the loop part there is a basic if-else statement where if the threshold is greater than 70, 80 and 110 respectively, then the 3 lights glow, and if and in the else section it is written that if it is not above the required threshold values, then all the 3 lights will stop glowing. So are you ready for a practical demonstration? Then let's start. So I hope you like this project. Then please give a thumbs. And also if you are new to this channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon for more. You can buy these kits from anywhere you want. The ROBOMANIAC is a platform from where you can get all this type of things in a cheap rate and also in a good quality. You can also give any blog to that page and your blog will be printed with your name there. There's the links down below to get access to ROBOMANIACs. So see you guys in my next video. Till then.